What's up guys? So today this will be a how-to video on how to get the spoilers off of a 94 to 04 Mustang. Very simple. Step one is, well, open the trunk. If you're unfamiliar with these cars, either hit the button on your key fob or go in the glove box and then hit that button. And then when you get underneath here, passenger side, you got a nut here, and you gotta pull that off. And there's gonna be a nut underneath there, which mine broke off because they broke the spoiler off, which is why I'm fixing this. And on this side, you have one right there. Then you gotta take this thing off as well. Okay. There's a 10 millimeter, all 10 mils. Okay. So I'm going to try. Just kind of hold you guys while I do this. And basically you do that. Come over to this side. And I'm going to do these. Like, oh shit. Well, I can't do both. I need two hands. Okay, basically take those all off. Lower this down a little bit. And it just lifts off. Then you've got two studs on one side and two on the other. Then your holes, so you can tell mine are broken. Two of them are from where this had got ripped off. I had to glue those back in there, and then that's kind of what I am doing. And then installation is just reverse of removal. So like for me, let's see if I can hold all this together. Just take and put your screws back, or your nuts back on. Again, it's a 10 millimeter. Okay. Now I'm going to go on this side and do this other one right away. At least have two of these secured. And try not to crack that, just because, like I said, glue these back on there, so it's not exactly right, but it's pretty good enough. So what I'm gonna do is just put a washer. Oh, that just fell off. No, it didn't. On over that. Okay, that's good and secured. And you're just going to do it with another one onto this side. Probably should use bigger washers, but I'm not, because I don't want to. No. Alrighty. These don't have to be tight, so tight you can't get them off again, and you don't want to break anything off of here. So alrighty, now once you get that all done, take your little grommet here and you just push it back up in there like that. like that. That's all you gotta do. And test it. There you go. That's how you remove and install a spoiler on 99 to 04 Mustang. Now, does that not look a lot better? I think that looks way better. So, there you go, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.